In this video of the AS Economics syllabus, I will be explaining to you the concepts of specialization and division of labor. Specialization in the concept basically referring to doing what one is going to be good at. So, people, firms, governments, and regions all concentrate on producing goods and services that they are most efficient at. For example, in an institution, some staff are going to be specialists in marketing, some in finance, some in human resources, and others in supply chain. Countries specialize too. Like the Germans can specialize in cars, the Japanese specialize in technology, the UK are specialists in education, and Pakistanis in textile. And as a result, what happens? Specialization leads to more efficiency, higher productivity, which is more output, more trade, leading to more exchange of goods and services between countries, more consumption, so more satisfaction of wants and needs, and thus globally all living standards rise. However, now an issue rises with specialization. No individual, no firm, no government or region is now going to be self sufficient. And due to specialization, they'll all end up producing a surplus that is much beyond their own needs. This will now lead to the need for trade, which is exchange for the surplus of other individuals and firms and countries and regions. Some drawbacks of specialization now are also going to exist. For example, when the job of a specialist is going to be replaced by technology or by another cheaper labor, they can find themselves redundant in the labor market. Also, if there's going to be a change in consumer wants and needs, the firm or the country can be left with a surplus unsold quantity, and they'll then have to scale down production activity, which will result in large scale unemployment. Now, coming to division of labor concept, this phenomena takes place when the production process is broken down into much smaller tasks. Adam Smith, the famous economist, talked about this idea in the 18th century and gave the example of pin making, which can be divided into 18 different tasks. Each person along the same assembly line was responsible for the task that they were specialists in and then passed it along to the other. And due to this specialization of activities, division of labor took place. As a result, what happened? Output grew, productivity rose, as well as efficiency. A disadvantage of division of labor is that it can create dissatisfaction amongst the workforce due to the excessive repetition of a task, and then it causes boredom. This will result in a very dehumanized approach, lacking social interaction, and all of this leading to low employee morale as well as low productivity. The key concept, however, is that through specialization and division of labor, resources that are available can be used to increase what is being produced and then finally to meet more wants and more of our needs. For more lessons on economics, share and like our videos and subscribe to our channel Economics Helpline.